Hello, I'm Dr. Nandita Shah. Welcome to Healthy Living with Sharan and welcome to FitTak. Today we're going to talk about another very vital vitamin which many people lack, and that is vitamin B12. If you're consuming a really healthy diet, there's no need to supplement any vitamin, and that's the way nature would want it, right? That we get all our vitamins naturally through healthy diet. However, most people do end up with a deficiency of vitamin B12. And why is that? Let me tell you a little bit about vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is only produced by bacteria. And we live a super hygienic lifestyle. We drink zero B water, or if we don't, we drink chlorinated water from the municipality. Our food has been sprayed with pesticides to kill everything on it, and if that wasn't enough, it's irradiated before sent away, because irradiation reduces all the bacteria and so increases the shelf life. On top of that, we have we wash all our produce really well, and nowadays, because of the pandemic, we're using hand sanitizers too. There's no bacteria around us. And then again, vitamin B12 is destroyed by alcohol and microwave. Now, I never suggest using a microwave oven, but if you use a mobile phone, then that's microwaves too. In fact, vitamin B12 deficiency was negligible before mobile phones and mobile phone towers came into being. But now it's very, very common, and almost everyone has vitamin B12 deficiency. Now, you may read that vitamin B12 can be got from meat and milk. And that's because meat and milk are decaying products, and therefore bacteria is multiplying on them. And actually, you can also get vitamin B12 from fermented foods. However, we don't get enough just because of all those mobile phone towers around, and because we produce acid in our stomach. And the more protein you eat, meat and milk is full of protein, the more acid we produce, and this destroys the intrinsic factor. The intrinsic factor helps to absorb vitamin B12, and this destroys the intrinsic factor, and so we don't get enough vitamin B12. And that's why we really need to take precautions. So what can you do? It's pretty simple. You can have a simple vitamin B12 tablet every day, or if your values are reasonable, then you could have it just twice a week to keep the levels okay, because our body is always using vitamin B12, and so we have to keep replenishing it, right? And you don't need a large dose of vitamin B12. No more than 500 micrograms per day should be taken, because we need a very small fraction of this. Sometimes in the market you can buy large doses of vitamin B12, 1000 or 1500 micrograms, or even 2000 micrograms, and these cause abdominal discomfort and gas. So please don't use any of these. Also, you often get vitamins in combinations, B complex or B12 with folic acid, and so on. And if you're on a healthy Sharan diet, which I'm sure you're interested in, then you don't need to take all those supplements either. And sometimes we think that more is better, but not true, because everything we put in our body is broken down by the liver and excreted by the kidneys, and all these are loads on the liver and kidney. So don't tax your liver and kidneys. Don't take extra supplements. The only supplements that we are likely to need on a plant-based, or in fact any healthy diet, is vitamin B12 and vitamin D. And vitamin B12 deficiencies, vitamin B12 is required by all the cells of the body. And so vitamin B12 deficiency can cause so many symptoms, from acidity to too much weight loss to ulcers in the mouth to um, anemia and neurological disturbances and tingling numbness and even memory lapses. It can also raise blood pressure and cause a heart attack. And that's why it's so important to get vitamin B12 complete, and it's so easy to do it. So why get into any of these problems when you can just take care by supplementing regularly? Remember, check your levels and supplement as required. How to supplement is written on our website sharan-india.org. Under Try Vegan, there's a section on vitamin B12. I wish you always perfect health, and remember, healthy eating and supplementing with vitamin B12 and D whenever required is the best way for perfect health. Thank you for joining Healthy Living with FitTuck.